Knowing where to go, where to acquire the free items, and how to make money using free PayPal currency coupons will be the biggest game changer. Yes, totally free. Of course, we pass the time by doing a number of things. Admit it, we occasionally feel that work interferes with our free time when we drink, go out with friends, or shop. What if I told you that as I was doing them, I was also teaching you how to do them? Okay, let's get started with this video. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. In order to avoid missing any material that is crucial for learning how to earn more money online quickly and for free, resist skipping ahead in this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we post a new video on this topic and you can start taking action. PayPal.com is the first website. If you don't already have one, you may create a free account at PayPal.com in under 3 or 4 minutes. You'll be cashing out your funds using PayPal, from which you can also transfer them to your bank account. Therefore, if you already have a PayPal account, log in so that you can skip this step. However, if you don't, click sign up here and leave it as a personal account. After clicking next, you should provide your mobile number. Click the next button, continue through the steps to enter personal information, and then you must verify your email address. If you don't use a legitimate active email address, you won't be able to register for PayPal. And after that, your free PayPal account will be set up, which completes step 1. The second step is now visiting the website. The website will demonstrate something to you here. This is how it functions. You're going to create a completely free account by completing brief surveys, offers, or polls. You can earn points. The surveys won't be tampered with at this time. You can complete surveys, but this is the one I'm referring to. In order to use these PayPal cash codes and get the most money, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. As a result, you will accumulate points by doing that, which you can then exchange for PayPal cash or a variety of gift cards. You could be curious about the gift cards, but the purpose of this video is to get you interested in PayPal Cash. Going to this website after setting up your free PayPal account as I showed you in the prior stage and starting to complete the necessary steps so that you can begin receiving PayPal money. PayPal Cash is paid directly into your PayPal account, and the website is PrizeRebel.com, and it allows you to take paid surveys, collect points, and exchange them for free cash and gift cards from retailers like eBay, iTunes, Visa, CVS, Amazon, and Walmart. You can also get paid in PayPal money when you complete paid surveys. Don't skip or move away, as I'm about to expose the hidden method by which you can double or even triple your income. If you don't already have one, enter your name, first name, last name, and email address in the first field. Once you've selected a password, click Start Making Money to begin earning money. I'm going to go ahead into my account and I'm going to show you the dashboard that it takes you to. You'll receive an email to confirm that email is correct. So make sure to use a valid email address once more. As you can see, there is a lot going on here as I previously mentioned, but the main objective is to prevent you from wasting your time on activities that won't bring in the most money. I'll now show you exactly what you must do. So focus on that Earn button up top. That's what I want you to do. When you click on Earn, a drop-down menu will appear. Go to Offer Walls right here and open up this site. This is something that not many people discuss. Now that the most popular categories are shown, it's important to remember not to click on them. That's the PrizeRebel.com insider tip that not many people mention, since they automatically click on the most popular items in the belief that they would win the most money. That is untrue, because you don't want to pay any money to perform any of these. What should you do is click on this here and go to free. There are so many different things you may do to earn money, such as filling out surveys, getting free gift cards, getting free samples of cosmetics, and etc. The amount of points you earn for performing these tasks is displayed. There are numerous ways to begin accumulating these points so that you may exchange them for free PayPal currency codes. I wanted to show you the free items immediately, and the next thing you should do is head to the raffle. This is a fantastic way to obtain free goods. There are are future raffles where you can win gift cards right now. There is a lot going on as you can see, therefore I want you to go over to where it says contest. Click there. These competitions are open to you. First off, there isn't much competition in these contests. To rank and gain all of these points, it takes the majority of these folks between 30 and 45 minutes per day. There are several options available today. There are surveys that are exclusively available to residents of the US that you can win. There are literally tons of incredibly entertaining methods to win money, and all you have to do is complete offers, surveys, or try out samples, among other things. This is available globally. As you can see, this is an international survey contest, so you can enter from wherever you are. You may also establish these survey competitions yourself or participate in them to start making some real cash. Once more, go directly to your PayPal account. Nothing is better than getting free PayPal cash codes in exchange for doing tasks. But you can also start winning real PayPal money by entering free contests. Once more, everything is free. Now, I'm going to explain to you how to double or triple your money on PrizeRebel.com and double or triple your PayPal cash codes handed out directly to your PayPal account, just as I previously told you. I'm a strong proponent of recommendations, so if you click on this invite button right here, it says earn with referrals. I don't understand why so many people choose to ignore this. To me, it seems like you're using other people's labor to boost the amount of money in your bank account. Then why wouldn't you? It was a win-win situation because you were assisting those people in earning PayPal money while at the same time. Okay, here is exactly how you're going to carry out your plan. There is a referral program there. For instance, this is the exact link I used to refer you. Okay, so you're going to check this out. If someone clicks on that link, signs up, and starts making money, you will receive a 50% bonus based on the points that your referrals earn as they progress. Okay, a referral program is the most user-friendly way to make money with PrizeRebel and is the best in the industry. You will receive $15 if your referral makes $100. You cannot compete with the $100 they earn. This is the hack which most people are unaware of. Where should I place my link? To Facebook you go. There are various Facebook groups that are meant for spreading how to earn money for free. People are looking for free ways to earn money in order to participate in free contests and receive free presents. PrizeRebel has it all, so why not advertise your link on Facebook? So yes, that's all for today. I hope you learned something in this video that will definitely give you some cash. Subscribe to the channel, comment below so I can give you more advice, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching!